We, at Mr. Money Press, consider it an honor to have you as a member. With each video we release, you can anticipate learning fresh advice regarding the most recent reviews and techniques for making money online. Here, we regularly research the best performers from around the world. These span a wide range of topics, such as technology, investment, stocks, Bitcoin, and many more. Are you interested in learning how to make money online? Just follow these simple steps and we will show you how. The first step is to play a video, the second is to watch it for at least 10 seconds, and the third is to cash out your earnings and pay your bill. Consider this if you're wondering how much money you can make from watching videos. If you watch for 1 hour, you can easily earn $60, 2 hours, you can earn $100, and in 3 hours, you can earn up to $140, and you can do this as many times as you want. The best part is that it's completely free, so you won't need any money to get started, and yes, it is available globally. All you need to get started is a smartphone or a computer, and you can literally start making money right away. In this video, we will show you how to sign up for a free account and give you some helpful hints and tips. We will also show you which videos are the most profitable. And we will also do a live demonstration of how to do it. Before we go any further, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Please leave a comment if you find this video interesting and informative. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the matter. So, first and foremost, we would like to introduce you to swingbucks.com, a brand new website. Swingbucks is a paid-to-click website that will pay you to view advertisements and work on other earning opportunities, and it has a good feature. On this website, you can get paid every 15 seconds, as you can see. There are numerous videos and channels you can watch to make money online, with the earning potential being limitless. We will show you how to watch a simple video like this one, which will play after this ad, in a moment. We'll show you how to watch this 10-second ad and then watch the video to earn money over and over. This is how all of these guys make a lot of money on this website every day. Also, and this is important, you can earn money for free in a variety of ways on this website. First, you may see advertisements and earn money online. Second, you can earn money by clicking on the clicks grid, which is a pretty cool strategy. Also, at the end of this video, we will show you something as a bonus, so keep watching. However, the focus of today is simply watching videos. As you can see, you can watch videos and be paid for it. So, for the time being, we would like to remind you to watch the entire video so you can understand everything and get started making money online. Now comes the first step. We're going to show you how to sign up for Swingbucks for free, so go ahead and click the register button, which will take you to the registration page. You can now register on your phone or computer. So, for the general information, simply enter your full name, username, password, and password confirmation, as well as your email address and the payment account, which is on the second part. Once you've logged into your PayPal account, you can receive your funds in perfect or impaired condition by simply entering your payment information, such as your PayPal email address. Once you log into your PayPal account, you can also be paid in other ways. Once you've finished everything, you must finish the image verification and enter whatever you see in the box. Simply agree to the regulations and then click the register button. Step 2 is to log into your account and you'll see a variety of commercials and videos that you can watch to earn money online. As you can see, there are many different companies on this website right now, which means you have many different options for looking at daily advertisements. As a result, there are numerous companies that provide you with fresh new video advertisements that you can watch to make money online. However, the most common issue that beginners face is not knowing which company or video ad to watch and focus on in order to make the most money. So, to those of you who continue to watch, our first bonus tip is to focus on micro ads. We want you to focus on this category because you can make money online simply by watching 10-second videos. After 10 seconds, they'll switch to a regular video, and all you have to do now is keep watching and waiting for the next video ad to appear. Then wait another 10 seconds. You'll be able to earn a lot of money this way. we would like to give you another bonus tip. You can turn off the volume of your video. Simply click mute on the video to turn off the volume. In doing so, you can actually let the video play in the background while you do your own thing or use another browser. As a result, this is a very useful technique for watching lots of videos at the same time. You'll notice that whenever you watch a video, there will be one video ad in front of it that will provide you with a lot of guaranteed income. And once you've finished watching the entire advertisement, the video will begin. You can learn about 2, 3, or even 4 video ads from just one video. And we're going to give you another bonus tip. You can make a lot of money for just one video. As you can see, each time you click on the small boxes on your screen, you have a chance to win up to $5. All you have to do now is select a random box to play with. Each box will open a different website. All you have to do is stay on that page for 10 seconds and you'll be fine. So, if you're lucky, you might be able to earn $5. Swing Grid Clone is actually quite simple to play. Simply click anywhere on the image to get any of the boxes you want, and you could win up to $5 in your account balance. Each click will take you to a sponsor's website, where you must stay for up to 10 seconds. For example, clicking on any of the boxes will take you to a random website. Simply wait for 10 seconds and do nothing to be eligible to win $5. You can see that clicks are reset every day, and the midnight server time is reset every day after 12 a.m. All of the boxes will now refresh, and you can click on them again. This is yet another way to earn money with Swing Bash. That is how all of these people from different countries make money simply by watching videos. And you can do the same by following all of the procedures given in this video. And that is all for today. If you like it, please click the like button. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the notification bell. See you in our next video.